What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 4th of December, and we are taking a look at Aerodrome Finance here this morning slash the United States dollar. This will be a daily chart, and the data one will be from Coinbase. Sitting up a little bit in the green here. Got some reversals taking place the past couple days. Real quick, let's jump over to the Bitcoin dominance chart and see where that's at. We are sitting at 53.8 today. We are down slightly from yesterday, which was 54.7. Still sliding slightly, but still above that 50% mark. We're starting to see some green here today. We have Bitcoin up with some other altcoins. Aerodrome Finance, we had a solid breakout take place a couple days back. Started on the 30th of November and basically has been nothing but up since. We're getting some pushback at these levels though. So again, we still have resistance. One of our price levels was the 171,600. That is this green chart, or this green line right here. And this is where our top is in at the moment. We have an inside day yesterday. We have a new higher low and a higher high today, but we are getting some pushback. So right now we're playing the good old ping pong game between 162.3 and still resistance above 171.6. Getting some pushback here. Let's take a look to the left of the chart and see what could be holding this back here. So this, and if you're new to the channel, this is probably the busiest chart you'll see on YouTube. But if you watch along, you'll see it's really not that confusing, but you just have to follow along. So this, here's our 171,600 level that the market just found resistance at 2 days ago. If we take over to the left hand side, you can see we have some overhead supply above the market, quite a bit of it, and that's exactly where our resistance just came in 2 days ago. So that explains why we're getting some pushback here. We're getting some reversals in the market. There is some solid supply above this market, and this is where the market topped out. Roughly, I mean, we really topped out, to be exact, up there at like 234. But there was some resistance in our candles here before we got that big wild swing day on the 12th of April. Let's take a look again at what's going on here. A couple things to watch as the either we head higher or we start to turn to the downside. So what you want to watch here, what I'll be watching, is the 162.3. Can that level hold? That's as of today. If not, 158, 158.6 right here. Let's see. Excuse me, 158 and 156. That's these two lines right here. That's basically where the market topped out over here on the 10th. Above the market, if we can get this thing to rally, which most people will benefit from that, and that's what they want, the 1716, a break above that should take us right up to the 181 price level. And that would be quite good and start to get us out of where all the supply is holding the market back. So that's the 1810. Otherwise than that, I mean, it's looking good. We have higher highs and higher lows, and that's pretty much it. We have Bitcoin trying to break above an important level we'll jump into in just a moment. Let's not forget how far Aerodrome Finance has come, at least the way I look at it, from the breakout from right around 61. I mean, this thing is, let's see, it's still up like 167% since September. So, I mean, that's not bad, guys. That's not bad at all. So, you can feel like you're getting beat up day by day, but if you take a look back, just a little bit in time, it's really done well. If you've been long this whole way, it's very nice returns. Looking at one of my trading accounts, I think it was up like 25% for the year, and we're pretty consistent, holding some pretty solid gains year after year. And I am nowhere near 160%, but 25%, has it 24, 25%. Could be up a little bit higher today. The markets are up. That's very good, compounded year after year. So if you're up 160 plus percent in one of your holdings, that's awesome. That's very, very good. Let's take a look over to Bitcoin, BTC USD. Bitcoin is still, again, guys, 96, 626, 83. It's been in play since the 21st of November when we broke out above it, and we've been whipsawing right around it. It's been turned into resistance. It's been turned into, some support days here. This day, the selling dried up, and we're starting to rally here. We got an overhead resistance line. We're trying to break out above. This could just be a slight pause before another very large, couple thousand point move to the upside for Bitcoin, which should do pretty well for most of the markets. Guys, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on Bitcoin. Let me know your thoughts on Aerodrome. Keep your eyes on those levels I mentioned, and we'll give you those real quick again. 1716 is above the market. That's the green line. And then we're just above at the moment would be the 162.3 level. That's this blue level, just below. We're just ping-ponging in between those. These candles here are slightly concerning, though, okay? There is some selling hitting this, and we took a look to the left, and we showed that there is some supply above the market. All links down below. We are working on Discord. We're just trying to iron out some of the things there in the channel. I am new to Discord, so try to get it pretty well set up before launching it. Guys, all links down below. Of course, not financial advice, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.